Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beaman Toyota again here in downtown Nashville. I had a few questions on the smart key, what it is, how to tell if you have it, and also how to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some things here real quick. One of the easy ways to tell if Toyota has a smart key system is if you don't have a key. That's a pretty good way to figure that out. And I'm going to tell you that you do have a key. It's hidden, but I'm going to show you this part first because it's an emergency key that's hidden there. So first thing, obviously if you have a push button start, you're going to have this. So that's part of the smart key system. What you want to look at here is you'll notice as soon as you grab it, you just unlock the door. And it's that easy to do. To lock it, you touch right here. You can also touch on the bottom down here. There's another spot that's on the bottom. So now there's also another trick here when you're using the smart key. If you have this shaped key and not the square one, there's the square key, which I'll pull mine out of my pocket and kind of show you. This is the square key. This one, it doesn't work this way with for what I'm about to show you, but this particular shaped key would. What you do is actually, if you hold 3 seconds, and now instead of just opening your driver's door, now you've opened all of your doors. And then just again, like I said, one touch will lock it. You'll see that if you don't grab the back of the handle, it is locked. As soon as you grab the back of that handle, now you're unlocked. Your driver's door, the way that it's set up from the factory, your driver's door will only open when you do on the driver's side. If you grab the passenger side door, then it's going to open all your doors. It figures that you're probably opening the door for somebody. It's going to go ahead and unlock all of them. I do want to show you something else here. So with this unlocked, we're going to come here and I'm going to hit this power up, power down door here that we've got. So you see how the door's coming up? I'm going to go ahead and stop it here. The reason I'm stopping it is you can see this is your pad. The pad that's on the left side right here. Now this is on a Highlander RAV4. Anything with a smart key that's got a power up, power down door. On the left side is your open. If you look right here, there's a little circle that is on your right side. So what I'm going to show you is that, now keep in mind once you stop it, if you hit that again, it's going to go up. You hit your button here, it'll come back down. But what I want to show you is that particular little circle button is also a door lock button. So when you get it here, and I'm going to kind of back off here and show you. So now you just saw it flashed. You have to have the key close enough, of course, but it flashed that was locking the door. So now your doors, if you're getting groceries out, something like that, your doors are all locked. Once again, if you grab it on the passenger side, then you're going to unlock all your doors. All right. So that being said, it kind of gives you some of that information there. Now I said that set up from the factory, it was set one way. So what I want to show you here is I'm going to get inside here and we'll start this car up. And not just because it's really cold in Nashville today, but because I wanted to show you something. Now this is your Intune 3.0 system. This is your 8-inch screen. So we're going to continue here. If you want to set this different, you can come in here, hit your menu button, and then you're going to hit your setup button. And you're going to pop down here to where it says vehicle. So you're going to come in here. Now on vehicle, and you can come into vehicle customization. Once you do that, now you can come into door lock settings. So what it's going to do is it's going to let you set how you want your doors to unlock from your system here. Here we go. So now if you see, now you change your automatic door unlock. So as soon as you shift it into drive, you hear your doors locking. So as soon as you come out of park or go back into park, you're going to lock or unlock your doors. If you want to change that, you can come back here and you can say off. So now it locked. When I went into reverse, it did not unlock. Come back up here. We're going to switch this back. You can hear it again. So it's locked. There's your unlock. All right. So you can change all of those if you want to. Remote 2-press unlock. What that means is that when you have your key fob, if you hit your unlock button, which is right here, if you hit that button once, it's going to just do your driver's door. Twice, it will do all of your doors. If you turn this off, then once will do all your doors. So now you select which door to unlock. The very first door will be your driver's door. Relock timer, that is 60 seconds. That if you hit your unlock button and you haven't opened the door within 60 seconds, it will relock. Your car does not automatically lock behind you when you walk away. You still have to lock it or touch that smart key on the side that I was just showing you. So like I said, those are ways that you can adjust. So let's go back into over here. Okay, this is on. But that basically gives you, so here. So now you can go to all doors. This one right here, when it says select doors to unlock, that'll also set for when you grab the door on the outside, it'll unlock all the doors with the driver's door as opposed to just the driver's door. So something else good to know there. But while I'm here, I can show you this here too. You can also go with your lights and you can change your on and off sensitivity. This right here is right in the middle. So you can go a little bit less. It's your minus. You can go a little bit more if you want to. But that just gives you that option. You can also, your interior lights will show off after 30 seconds on this particular setting. You can change that if you want to, just by hitting it. You can also come back and you can do your 90, 60, 30 seconds, or off means that this is for your headlights auto off. Off means that if you have your headlights on, they're staying on. They're not going to have a timer to it at that point. So if you're, maybe sawing something, you need your headlights on for some reason, once you shut off your car, that timer starts. Shut off your car and shut the door. Your timer will start. That way it wouldn't shut off until you shut it off. I always suggest, whatever you're going to put on here, try to have at least something, unless there's a reason you're shutting it off. But as soon as you shut that back, or as soon as you're done with the reason you shut it off, put it back on something. That way you don't run your battery dry, because it will let you do that if you set it that way. So climate settings, just your auto on, auto off for your AC mode if you have that. So like I said, this is the Intune 3.0 system, but the thing is that on this particular system, it's really any of the smart keys. Like I said, push button start. Easy way to tell if it's a smart key is look for those little lines on the door. Toyota has done that for a long time. Prior to that, they had a little button that was on the door. So you definitely can take a look and see which one you're looking at. But you can see it's a pretty cool system. It's the smart key system. And your push button starts, of course, down here. So it's a smart key system. It's a Toyota thing. It's really, really cool. Oh yeah, and let me show you. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this car off. I'm gonna show you what I was talking about with your emergency on your key. So let's say for some reason your key fob battery has died. If your key fob battery has died, people are like, all right, well, I can't get into the car because I don't have a way to do it. But if you look, you'll notice there is a key slot that is on your driver's door. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you on the back of this key. If you look real close, you see a little lever. You push this lever, and I'll try to do it one hand here. You push this lever off to the side. Within this key, you're going to have a key come out. So it's a little hidden key. That key fob can stay there. And then you're going to hit this right here into your key. It'll only fit one way. Once you do that, you can lock or unlock your car with that key. So now we've got it open. So if that, once again, if that had failed, what you would want to do is then you'd take this particular part of your key and you would come up and you would take it over to your push to start button over here. Sorry about this fidgeting here. But you'd go over to your push to start button. And what I always tell people is just push to start it with this. So you have to touch it, or it has to be really close. It has an RFID chip in it, kind of like what you chip a dog with. So it knows it's there. So if you had push the brake and then come in here and just push your key with that, and it's going to start the car. This one obviously has battery power, so it would start it without it. But if you kill your battery, that is a very, very good thing to know, that you can start your car that way. That is an emergency thing. So definitely wanted people to know about that. So anyway, once again, smart key system. By the way, also, if you have your key in the car and you go to lock it, you're going to get this tone. Hope you can hear that. That means your key is in the car. So that is another way that you can keep from locking your keys in the car. So definitely it will watch and it will see, and it could actually save you from having your keys locked in your car or having another issue with that, or something along those lines. So definitely Steve Welch with Beaman Toyota. I hope I helped you out here, and any questions that you might have had for either getting into your car or how to use your smart key system, definitely give me a call here at Beaman. Call or text 615-645-3039. Definitely, if I can help you get a car if you're in the Nashville area, give me a shout. Leave a comment below if you have any other questions, or you're not looking for a car right now, you just want to comment. Definitely appreciate every subscriber. You guys are great. But I'll take care of you with any questions that you have, especially on these Toyotas. But definitely take care. Hope you guys have a great holiday season, and we will talk to you soon.